You may have heard the terms crypto and Bitcoin used interchangeably, but they are not exactly the same thing. Crypto is short for cryptocurrency, which is a general term for any digital currency that uses cryptography to secure and verify transactions. Bitcoin is the first and most popular cryptocurrency, but it is not the only one. There are thousands of other cryptocurrencies, each with their own features and use cases. So crypto versus Bitcoin. That's what I'm going to explore in this video, by comparing them across some aspects: profitability, investability, utility, and security. But why should you care about the difference between crypto and Bitcoin? Well, if you are interested in investing in this space, you need to understand the pros and cons of each approach. Some people prefer to focus on Bitcoin, as it is the most established and widely accepted cryptocurrency. Others like to diversify their portfolio by investing in various altcoins, which are any cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. Altcoins may offer higher returns, but they also come with higher risks and volatility. By the end of this video, you will have a better idea of how to choose the best cryptocurrency for your goals and preferences. So stay tuned. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital currency that uses cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Cryptocurrency is a type of money that is encrypted and decentralized, meaning that it does not rely on any central authority or intermediary to validate transactions or create new units. Blockchain is a system of distributed ledger that records and verifies transactions in a secure and transparent way. Bitcoin was the first and most popular cryptocurrency, created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin works by using a network of computers called nodes that communicate and agree on a set of rules, called protocol, to maintain the blockchain and process transactions. Bitcoin is created by a process called mining, where nodes compete to solve complex mathematical problems and earn rewards in the form of new bitcoins. Bitcoin is used as a medium of exchange, a store of value, and a unit of account. Some of the advantages of Bitcoin are that it is scarce, divisible, portable, verifiable, and censorship resistant. Some of the disadvantages of Bitcoin are that it is volatile, energy intensive, prone to hacking, and subject to regulatory uncertainty. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a general term for any digital currency that uses cryptography and blockchain technology. Cryptocurrency is not limited to Bitcoin, as there are many other types and examples of cryptocurrency that have different features, functions, and goals. Some of the common types of cryptocurrency are altcoins, tokens, stable coins, and CBDCs. Altcoins are alternative coins that are derived from or inspired by Bitcoin, such as Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. Tokens are digital assets that are created and issued on a specific platform or network, such as ERC20 tokens on Ethereum, NFTs on OpenSea, and DeFi tokens on Uniswap. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies that are pegged to a stable asset, such as a fiat currency, a commodity, or another cryptocurrency, to reduce volatility and increase liquidity, such as USDT, DAI, and BNB. CBDCs are central bank digital currencies that are issued and controlled by a central authority, such as a government or a central bank, to digitize the national currency and enhance the efficiency and security of the payment system, such as ECNY, eKrona, and eNaira. Cryptocurrency works by using various protocols, algorithms, and consensus mechanisms to create, validate, and transfer value in a decentralized and distributed manner. Cryptocurrency is used for various purposes, such as payment, investment, speculation, fundraising, and innovation. Bitcoin versus cryptocurrency. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency are both digital currencies that use cryptography and blockchain technology, but they have many differences in terms of their features, functions, benefits, and challenges. Here are some of the main points of comparison and contrast between Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is the first and most dominant cryptocurrency, with the highest market capitalization, network size, and adoption rate. Cryptocurrency is a broader category that includes many other types and examples of digital currencies, with varying degrees of popularity, innovation, and potential. Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins, which makes it scarce and deflationary. Cryptocurrency has a variable supply, depending on the design and governance of each project, which makes it more flexible and adaptable. Bitcoin has a simple and robust protocol based on the proof-of-work consensus mechanism, which makes it secure and resilient. Cryptocurrency has a diverse and complex protocol based on various consensus mechanisms such as proof of stake, proof of authority, and proof of burn, which makes it more scalable and efficient. Bitcoin has a limited functionality, mainly as a medium of exchange, a store of value, and a unit of account. Cryptocurrency has a wide functionality, ranging from payment, investment, speculation, fundraising, and innovation, to smart contracts, decentralized applications, and digital identity. Bitcoin has a clear and consistent vision based on the original white paper and the core principles of decentralization, transparency, and immutability. Cryptocurrency has a vague and evolving vision based on the changing needs and preferences of the market, the community, and the regulators. Bitcoin has a high level of acceptance and recognition, both among the public and the institutions, as a legitimate and valuable asset class. Cryptocurrency has a low level of acceptance and recognition, both among the public and the institutions, as a risky and speculative asset class. The history of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is full of ups and downs, successes and failures, innovations and controversies. Over the years, they have faced many challenges, such as hacking, theft, fraud, regulation, volatility, scalability, and environmental impact. They have also created many opportunities, such as peer-to-peer transactions, financial inclusion, lower fees, faster payments, anonymity, and transparency. Challenges and opportunities of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. One of the biggest challenges that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency face is regulation. Different countries and regions have different laws and policies regarding the legality, taxation, and oversight of digital currencies. Some are more friendly and supportive, while others are more hostile and restrictive. For example, in Pakistan, where you are located, the State Bank of Pakistan has banned the use of cryptocurrencies and warned the public of the risks involved. However, there are also some initiatives and movements that aim to promote and educate the people about the benefits and potential of cryptocurrencies. Another challenge that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency face is security. Because they are digital and decentralized, they are vulnerable to cyber attacks, hacking, and theft. There have been many incidents where hackers have stolen millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrencies from exchanges, wallets, and users. For example, in 2014, Mt. Gox, which was the largest Bitcoin exchange at the time, was hacked and lost 850,000 Bitcoins, worth about $450 million. To prevent such losses, users need to be careful and responsible with their private keys, passwords, and backups, and use reputable and secure platforms and services. On the other hand, one of the biggest opportunities that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency offer is innovation. Because they are open source and decentralized, they allow anyone to create, experiment, and improve the technology and the ecosystem. There are many projects and applications that are built on top of or inspired by Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, such as smart contracts, decentralized applications, non-fungible tokens, and decentralized finance. These innovations aim to solve various problems and create new possibilities in various fields and industries, such as art, gaming, entertainment, social media, and more. Another opportunity that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency offer is adoption. As more and more people and businesses become aware of and interested in digital currencies, the demand and value of them increase. There are many ways to acquire, use, and store cryptocurrencies, such as buying, selling, trading, mining, earning, spending, donating, and saving. There are also many platforms and services that facilitate and support these activities, such as exchanges, wallets, brokers, merchants, charities, and more. According to some estimates, there are over 100 million cryptocurrency users and over 15,000 cryptocurrency ATMs worldwide. In conclusion, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency are both digital currencies that use cryptography and blockchain technology, but they have many differences in terms of their features, functions, benefits, and challenges. Bitcoin is the first and most dominant cryptocurrency, with a simple and robust protocol, a fixed and scarce supply, and a limited and clear functionality. Cryptocurrency is a broader category that includes many other types and examples of digital currencies, with a diverse and complex protocol, a variable and flexible supply, and a wide and vague functionality. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it informative and helpful. Please like, share, and comment your thoughts and questions below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video.